Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 not launching on your computer easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your games platform and you're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card drivers to the latest one. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to click onto drivers. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model, and then operating system. Click find them and then wait for it to find the correct GeForce game ready drivers for your computer. Once it's done, download the latest drivers and install them. And now onto AMD. You're going to go onto AMD.com, click resources and support, drivers. Then you're going to click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. And then you're going to come here, click your operating system, and you're going to download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers on your computer. If the latest drivers don't work, then what you can do next is you're going to scroll down, click onto previous versions. You're going to download the older stable drivers. You're going to download this 26.3.1 on your computer. So this one is only for AMD. Download these drivers on your computer and install them. And those drivers should fix your issue. Now onto Intel, go into intel.com, click onto support, download center. You're going to click onto graphics, search for a graphics card here. And then you're going to download the latest Intel drivers on your computer. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to right click on your desktop. This one is for AMD. I'm going to show you NVIDIA afterwards. You're going to open this up. You're going to click onto performance, tuning, and then you're going to make sure that automatic tuning is set to default. So don't have any undervolts or overclocks running on your graphics card. And then you're going to search for shader cache here. And then you're just going to click perform reset on shader cache and reset your shader cache that way. And now I'm going to show you NVIDIA. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, click onto help plan and then debug mode. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. And then you're going to write here app data. Go on to local. You're going to search for D3DS cache here. And you're going to delete this D3DS cache folder from here. And afterwards, you're going to look for the folder called NVIDIA. Here it is. You're going to go into it. You're going to delete both of these folders from here, DX cache and GL cache. So delete both of those folders. And now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those problems anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.